Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration of Bike, and in this video I'm going to explain to you some pointers, give you some pointers with respect to maintaining and cleaning mountain bike tires. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. So these tires that I'm cleaning here are IRC Mythos or Mythos, I think of Mythos XC. They're over 2 decades old. And these are not the first very old tires I have. And basically after this process of cleaning and scrubbing the tires, I find out that I should not have done that, because there is a certain process that sets in when rubber gets really old, which is the fact that it hardens and becomes more brittle. This is not something you can really prevent other than to not have your tires, use your tires, or have them standing out drying in the sun 24/7. So what you see here is that I could actually scratch off the rubber just by rubbing them with my fingers, with my thumbs, which meant that the hardening process had already set in. So I should not have tried to clean them with hot water and soap, or should try to clean them at all. I just should have left them alone. So that was the lesson I learned when dealing with this set of tires. I didn't do, this was the first tire, this is the second one. I only used water there, and I did not have the effect I had with the first one. Also, this is a problem that can happen, like broken knobs. Here is you can clearly see, you know, the fact that the tire got damaged, and this is the inner lining that gets out of the tire. So basically, leave your vintage MTB tires alone.